and I hate this filter. Kayak filternya itu kayak buat the muka looks like a bit slimmer, but I don't like that filter. It looks very weird. Ya begitu deh. Anyway, I'm eating this ramyeon from convenience store. This tumba. It's called tumba by Shinramyeon, and it has like similar vibes with the carbonara ramen from like buldak Pokemon. What is buldak Pokemon in English? Like, you know, like samyang, like the samyang ramyeon, like the carbonara version. It has similar vibes to that. Ta-da. And I'm eating it with like chicken. This is like convenience store chicken, like microwavable chicken. Yeah, I'm eating it with that. 잘 먹겠습니다. 맛있네. It tastes good. Enak, guys. Why is there a dog? Ada yang bilang makan mie terus. Emang kapan aku makan mie? Emang you tahu kemarin gue makan apa? Emang kemarin makan mie ya? Kemarin makan apa ya? What did I do yesterday? What did I eat yesterday? Oh, wait. No, I ate Korean barbecue yesterday. So, aku nggak makan mie terus, guys. Kemarin makan Korean barbecue. Tadi siang makan Korean barbecue juga. Ditraktir profesor, guys, makan Korean barbecue. It's a bit spicy. Apa? Pedes. Enak banget, guys. Kalian harus cobain. Harusnya ada nggak ya ini di Indonesia? Kurang tahu saya. Kamu suka pedas, Bima? Suka sih, tapi aku nggak begitu kuat. Tapi aku suka. Kunyah, Bim, kunyah. Aku lupa kunyah ya tadi. Udah kunyah belum sih? Udah dah. Tadi udah kunyah, guys. Ini tuh kunyah. I just realized that baru nyadar bahwa gue langsung makan tanpa dikunyah. Oh, hampir jatuh, guys. Habis ngapain, Bima? Aku habis masukin baju ke laundry. Ya, ke laundry machine. Washing machine. Baru nyuci baju, guys. Tahu gak sih, guys? You know that you're getting old. Aku tuh ngerasa tua banget karena aku seneng banget baru beli laundry detergent baru. Karena aku baru beli a new laundry detergent, aku ngerasa happy. I don't know why. Tapi karena smellsnya nice. I don't know why. I'm getting old. I feel so old. Like, kenapa gue seneng gara-gara beli deterjen baru. Kayak I like nyobain deterjen baju karena wanginya beda-beda. Jadi begitu deh. Kenapa pada nanyain buku keramat ya? Aku kira kalian gak suka buku keramatnya. Tapi kalau kalian request, maybe I can just show it here. Tada, buku keramat. Live bareng buku keramat, guys. Gitu deh. Pacaran aja sama tuh buku. Ya emang kita pacaran, guys. It's my baby. Anyway, begitu deh. Dan aku punya kok, guys. Like, look at me. See, I'm chewing it. Like, I'm chewing the noodles. Aku nggak langsung makan, guys. Masih. I like this convenience store chicken. It's so cheap. It's not that cheap, but it's affordable. Mie-nya rasa apa? Ini kayak rasa tumba. Namanya tumba. Kayak rasa carbonara gitu. Kayak spicy carbonara flavor, maybe. Enak sih, guys. Are you in Korea? Yeah, I'm in Korea. Karena aku ada internship. Jadi aku lagi di Korea, guys. Bima bikin jeje. Oh iya, saya lupa, guys. Sejujurnya, saya belum download CapsCut. Harus download CapsCut dulu, guys. Ya. Sejujurnya, panas. Aku harus nyalain AC. Suka nonton anime nggak? Suka banget, guys. My favorite anime is Frieren. Kalian tahu Frieren nggak, guys? Kayak adventure or Frieren gitu. Kayak Frieren. Frieren. Ceritanya adalah dia adalah mage. What is mage in English? Like penyihir. Oh, there you go, penyihir. Like she's an elf, kayak elf mage, and she's like she defeated the Demon King, and the anime is about her, and I like that anime. Terus apalagi ya? I like Demon Slayer. Demon Slayer asik banget tuh, guys. And I finished. Actually, I watched the first and second, or I watched all of the season. But when the waktu the second season came out, kayak kan udah selesai nonton second season. Terus gue curious what will happen next. Jadi gue baca manganya. Kayak baca komiknya. And then I spent 2 days, kayak 2 hari, terus selesai baca semuanya. Terus jadinya gue udah tahu spoiler tentang Demon Slayer. Attack on Titan suka nggak? Sejujurnya saya nggak pernah nonton Attack on Titan karena seram. Saya takut, guys. Kelihatannya seram sekali. Saya nggak suka kayak bunuh-bunuhan. Like I don't like bunuh-bunuhan. How you bunuh-bunuhan in English? Aku nggak suka kayak thriller or like gory movie yang banyak blood and bunuh-bunuhan. But I like horror movies. Gue suka horror movies kayak Conjuring. Karena horror movie itu nggak seram tapi funny. Because the characters are so stupid. Kayak, ya, gitu deh. Dan juga aku suka Ghibli. Like Ghibli Studios, Ghibli Studio like movies are so nice. Like Howl's Moving Castle, or apa tuh namanya, Spirited Away. Kayak aku ingat waktu kecil nonton Spirited Away and I fell in love with Spirited Away. It's so nice. My favorite character in Spirited Away adalah Zeniba. Kayak aku pengen jadi muridnya Zeniba. Kayak the twin sister of the villain, Zeniba. Gak lebar Kendrick Bim. Sejujurnya tadi udah text Kendrick, tapi dia belum balas. Kayaknya dia lagi sibuk, jadi nanti lagi lah. Come on. Bro, why is my sister here? Bro, get out of my life. Don't watch me. Sister, don't watch my life. Malu guys. Masa dilihat my sister? Capek banget. Nah, sekarang udah kenyang. Tapi masih ada ini. Dan masih ada ini. Tapi udah kenyang. What should I do? Tips masuk Yonsei. Tips masuk Yonsei. You just apply. Sejujurnya nggak tahu, karena aku bukan panitia buat apa. Aku bukan panitia Yonsei guys. Saya nggak tahu tips masuk Yonsei gimana. Tapi just apply. Just kenyang he. What is kenyang he in English? Just do it, you know. Like if you want to apply somewhere, just do it. You know, gitu deh. What's my MBTI? My MBTI starts with I. I'm an introvert. And then it's either S or N, I forgot. But I'm an F. So it's INF. Kalau nggak salah INFP atau ISFJ. Nggak tahu, lupa guys. But I'm an F, which is feelers, and I'm an I, which is introvert. So I'm a feeler and I'm an introvert. I used to be a T. Aku tadinya itu T. T itu apa ya? T is like thinking. So kayak yang apa? Yang thinking, like logical people. But now I'm changed into an F because I'm a feeler. I'm very emotional. Enak. I'm almost done eating everything. Pernah ke Akaraka nggak? Pernah. Jadi yang buat nggak tahu, Akaraka adalah kayak festival di Yonsei. Dan di Akaraka kayak jadi kayak music festival, banyak K-pop artis yang diundang. Aku ke Akaraka 2 kali. Dan waktu itu di Akaraka ada New Jeans, Le Sserafim, Eyelid, kayaknya kalau nggak salah, Eyelid, and then G-Idol, and then Psy, and then a lot of people. I udah lupa sejujurnya. But yeah, Akaraka it was so fun, tapi kayak capek banget karena panas banget guys waktu itu. Gitu deh. Bagi link buku keramat. Sejujurnya ini saya dikasih sama profesor. Jadi saya sejujurnya nggak tahu ini apa, kayak beli di mana. Dan dan kelihatannya ini kayak mahal sekali karena bukunya tebal guys. Tapi saya nggak tahu ini beli di mana. Saya dikasih sama profesor. pilih Okem atau Be Mine. Nggak bisa milih guys. Waduh, itu pertanyaan yang berbahaya. Saya nggak bisa milih guys. Mau dua-duanya. So good. You know, sejujurnya kayak I pengen bikin mukbang channel dari lama banget karena I suka makan, tapi malu. Dan sekarang I'm doing my first mukbang live. So fun. I love mukbang. Wow. Sejujurnya times 2626. Come on, let's do it until like 3,000. 3,000, let's go. Sejujurnya 3,000. Let's go. Sejujurnya. 와, 3,000 됐다. 와, 신기하네. Wow, let's get to 4,000. Sejujurnya 4,000. Let's go guys. Sejujurnya 4,000. Sejujurnya 5,000. Okay, let's set it to 10,000. Bisa nggak ya? 10,000. Sejujurnya 10,000. Let's go. Oh, 7,000. Wow, 8,000. Wow. 9,000. Oh, 10,000. 10,000. Wow, guys, you guys are amazing. I love you guys. Team sejujurnya. Wow, it's still going. Wow. Wow. You guys are the best. I'm so proud of you guys. Wow, sejujurnya kalian sangat sejujurnya. sampai 20.000. Wow. Sejujurnya I'm speechless. Tutor mencintai Ocam. Gimana ya? You just have to fall in love with Ocam. You have to like apa namanya? Ya suka Ocam itu jodoh, guys. Jadi kalau emang udah jodohnya ya mencintai organic chemistry. Gitu deh. Wow, it's almost 20,000. Hebat sekali ya kalian semua. Cara ngapalin apa periodic table. Caranya kalau kalian ngerjain soal banyak banget, kayak for example in organic chemistry kan banyak soal tentang kayak yang menggunakan unsur karbon atau hydrogen atau nitrogen dan segala macam or oxygen. Jadi kayak ngerjain soal banyak-banyak aja, lama-lama hafal sendiri. Gitu deh. Kok kalian masih niat ya sampai 22,000 sejujurnya. Hebat sekali. Sejujurnya saya kenyang sekali, guys. 다 먹었습니다. Kenapa makan mie mulu? Emang gue kapan makan mie yang kemarin? Kapan gue makan mie? When did I eat noodles? Gue gak makan noodle, guys. Wah, sejujurnya 25,000. Bima video masak bikin video masak. Mau, guys? Do you guys want video masak? Jujurly, saya juga mau video masak. Kenyang. Sekarang jadi ngantuk. Now I'm having food coma. Room tour. Tapi room saya lagi messy sekali, guys. Mau lihat room tour? Oke, kasih lihat deh sedikit aja ya. Tapi oke, so ini adalah lemari saya. Ada pakaiannya. Ya, my outfits. Tapi sejujurnya most of my outfits are on the floor. Karena saya mager gantung. Dan di sini adalah the kitchen. I don't want to use the front camera like the back camera karena ya berantakan. So I don't want to show everything. So this is the kitchen and there's a kitchen. And let's not go to the bathroom because why would you want to see my bathroom? And then ya gitu deh. That's all. capek guys. Tahu gak sih guys, jadi kapan gue live sama Neria ya? Jadi kayak waktu hari gue live sama Neria, sebelum gue live sama Neria, gue kan nge-gym. And itu pertama kali nge-gym setelah 1 tahun, karena selama 1 tahun gue sibuk banget. Jadi pertama kali nge-gym, dan sekarang kesakitan semuanya. Ototnya sakit banget guys. Dan harusnya hari ini juga nge-gym, tapi mager. Jadi gue bikin mukbang instead of going to the gym. Itu deh. Kapan-kapan live sambil skincare. Sejujurnya kemarin juga gue live sambil pakai skincare. Bukan kemarin ya. Kemarinnya gue live sambil pakai skincare. Masak dong Bim. Masak apa? Kan gue baru makan. Kenyang banget guys. I cannot stretch my arm. Karena sakit. Oh my god. Ngapain lagi ya habis makan? Habis makan tidur. Gue pengen tidur. No, nggak boleh tidur guys. Habis makan boleh spill gelangnya. Sejujurnya ini gelang dikasih sama teman saya guys. Jadi kayak what was it like? When did I get this gelang? So I think it was like almost 3 years ago. Jadi kayak 3 tahun yang lalu. Almost 4 years ago. Ya hampir 4 tahun yang lalu. Sejujurnya masih sampai 30.000. Oh my god. Jadi sejujurnya waktu gue pertama kali berangkat ke Korea, jadi sebelum berangkat ke Korea, teman high school aku ada yang kayak kasih ini buat kayak hadiah perpisahan gitu. Jadi nggak tahu nih beli di mana, tapi gue dapet ini. Dan ini I think is evil eye. Nggak tahu artinya apa sejujurnya. Kata dia buat protect you from bad energy. Tapi I don't know if I believe that or not. Nggak tahu deh. Bima punya peliharaan nggak? Pengen punya kucing guys. Sejujurnya pengen punya kucing, tapi saya terlalu sibuk, jadi mungkin kapan-kapan ya. Kayak bentar lagi kan graduate, and then after graduating gue mau apply buat PhD. Mungkin nanti waktu udah apply buat PhD dan I have my own place to stay, I can adopt a cat. Gitu deh. Nyanyi dong Bim. Nyanyi apa guys? Sejujurnya saya juga pengen nyanyi ke Norebang. I wanna go Norebang. Kayak my friend Sydney. Do you guys know Sydney? Sydney is my friend. Of course you guys don't know. Jadi aku ada friend, ada temen namanya Sydney. So Sydney is my friend, like my best friend here. Dan kita suka nyanyi ke Norebang. Norebang itu apa ya? Kayak karaoke gitu lah. Jadi kita tuh selalu belajar ke kafe. Jadi kita selalu hangout itu ke kafe buat belajar. Tapi di tengah-tengah belajar, karena kita tiba-tiba distracted, kita tiba-tiba ke karaoke buat nyanyi instead of belajar. Jadi kayak belajar maybe like sejam, terus kayak nyanyi 2 jam di karaoke. And then after that belajar lagi. Gitu deh. But gue pengen pengen karaoke, tapi Sydney nggak tahu di mana. Should I call Sydney? But it's already 9 p.m. in Korea. Maybe too late. Pernah homesick nggak guys? Pernah lah, waktu pertama kali ke Korea pasti homesick. Iya. Rather than homesick kayak iya sih homesick sih, tapi juga kayak stress with the environment, like new environment, kayak adapting to new environment gitu deh. Udah lama ya di Korea, ya udah hampir 4 tahun. Jadi gue pertama kali ke Korea 2022, terus bakal di sini sampai 2026. Jadi sebentar lagi lulus guys. Spill skincare, pakai skincare apa? Kayaknya gue setiap kali live spill skincare deh. Ntar mana skincare gue di sini guys. Lately I've been using these two only. Kayak ini serum buat bekas jerawat, ini moisturizer. I also have ini kayak mini version of this. Kayak mini version. I also have ini apa ya? Namanya serum emulsion. Kayak lightweight moisturizer. Terus apa lagi? Where's my sunscreen? And ini sunscreen. Ini sunscreen terbagus. I really like this. Tapi agak mahal. Dan ini juga bagus guys. Ini kayak ceramide moisturizer buat kayak kulit kering gitu. Kalau ini dari Daiso guys. Jadi di Korea itu ada kayak Daiso gitu, kayak Miniso tapi Korean version. Dan they sell this. Ini kayak skincare yang affordable banget. Ya. Yeah. Dan ini beli di Olive Young. Where is it? Ta-da. I'm like a skincare influencer. Ta-da. Like today I will be using this, and I will be using this, and this. This is so fun. Yeah. Gitu deh. Promosi. Mereka nggak bayar aku guys. Saya belum dipromosi apa-apa. But if those brands are watching my live, please promote me, endorse me. Dan ini buku keramatnya. Like every now and then ada komen yang kayak di mana mungkin buku keramatnya diginiin aja kali ya, biar nggak ada yang nanya. Kalian mau lihat isinya gimana? How about this? Kayak gua, I just like open a random page and I try to explain something from this. Okay, let's try to do that. Oh. This kelihatan nggak ya? This thing ada pensil ya? Ini adalah yang namanya Grignard reagent. So do you guys see like this part? Like it's MEMGBR. This is what we call a Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent apa ya bahasa Indonesianya? kayak yang pernah belajar kimia pasti tahu ini adalah namanya adalah Grignard reagent atau like organomagnesium. Yeah, that's the name, organomagnesium. Dan organomagnesium ini adalah strong nucleophile. Jadi let's say so because this ketone, so you're reacting the organomagnesium with a ketone, and since the ketone has an electrophilic the carbon of the ketone is electrophilic karena carbonnya itu is bonded with the oxygen. So the oxygen carbon double bond, the CO double bond is polar, and because oxygen is more electronegative than the carbon, it withdraws the electron from the carbon, and so ada delta plus di carbon ini. Karena itu carbon ini is what we call an electrophile. Jadi kayak suka elektron karena dia kekurangan elektron, sedangkan the organomagnesium, there is a lot of delta minus on the R group, which is in this case the Me. Jadi karena itu the organomagnesium itu adalah nucleophile. That means they like positive charge because dia udah kebanyakan negative charge. Jadi it's literally just like the negative, like the one that is rich in the partial negative is attacking the one that is rich in partial positive charge. So it undergoes a nucleophilic attack, and it forms this kind of like an adduct. So you're reducing the ketone, and after quenching, you will get an alcohol. Gitu deh. Ta-da! So this is like undergraduate organic chemistry, like Grignard reagent. Adisi Grignard reagent ke ketone gitu. Jadi apalagi ya, let's try another thing. It's raining all day. Can't breathe. Apalagi ya, wow, there's a lot of chemistry here, very advanced chemistry. Oh, interesting. This one right here. Jadi ini adalah yang namanya piperidine. So piperidine is like a secondary amine, which is a nucleophile, and in here we have like a aromatic, like a benzene derivative. Jadi ini adalah aromatic compound, dan di sini ada apa ini? Ada X. X-nya itu adalah halogen. Jadi halogen group. Terus di sini ada nitro group, and di sini juga ada nitro group. So ini adalah reaksi nucleophilic aromatic substitution. Jadi, what happens is that the nucleophile, the piperidine, will attack the electrophile, in this case, specifically at the position of the carbon that is attached to the halogen. So the halogen will become the leaving group. And after the coupling, then it makes this substitution reaction. Jadi, lihat ini, di sini piperidinnya ke-attach ke the aromatic ring. So the mechanism is not this simple. There's like several steps before this happen. Tapi apa namanya? This is very easy, guys. Kenapa very easy? Karena literally lihat, like look at this. Ini ditambah ini attach. Like you just kayak gabungin ini dan ini. Tada! Just like that. It's just apa namanya, kayak drawing lesson. Like sejujurnya organic chemistry 90% of the time is just drawing. Jadi itu kayak bikin kayak kelas drawing, guys, bukan kelas yang susah-susah amat. Just drawing sejujurnya. Itu. Maafkan saya Did I traumatize you guys? Did I traumatize you guys with Ochem? Sejujurnya maafkan saya. Sejujurnya nggak paham. Maafkan guys. I'm sorry. Sejujurnya aku pusing. Maafkan. Buang bukunya, jangan dibuang guys. Ini bukan buku keramat. Ini adalah my baby. Jangan dibuang bukunya. Ayo. Oh my god, capek guys. Ulang tahun kapan kak? 11 November 2003, 11 November 2003. Do you like biology? I also like biology. If you guys want, I can teach you guys biology. Should I teach you guys biologi? Biologi apa yang kalian ingin? Oh ini gue kayak lagi cerita horor. Once upon a time, there was a organic chemistry nerd named Bima, and he lives alone in the middle of nowhere, and suddenly he became crazy because he loves Ochem. Kayak lagi cerita horror guys. Oh, there's more Ochem here. Look at this. Ini terlalu cerah ya. Ta-da! So this is the mechanism. Do you guys want me to explain this mechanism? So I think this is an oxidation reaction. Yeah, the name is Pumerer. Literally, saya kurang tahu juga. Jadi, look at here. So in here we have basically what we call a sulfoxide. This is a sulfoxide, and as you can see, if you draw the resonance structure of a sulfoxide, you can see that there's actually a negative charge on the oxygen and positive charge on the sulfur. Jadi the negative charge on the oxygen bakal attack the carbon of the carbonyl of this anhydride. So this is what we call an acetic anhydride. So anhydride is unstable and it's an electrophile. Jadi bakal attack this carbon, and then after several steps, as you can see here, you're acetylating the oxygen here, and because of that, there will be a actual plus charge on the sulfur, and then the sulfur becomes electrophilic. And because of that, after subsequent deprotonation and then kicking out of this acetate, then you get this product. Gitu deh. So it's like that. Sejujurnya aku pusing, maafkan guys. Anda pusing, tapi saya senang. I'm sorry, I shouldn't say that. Okay, sekarang apa ya? Sekarang belajar apa? Biokimia. Do you guys wanna learn biochemistry? Low-key, saya tidak terlalu suka-suka banget dengan biokimia, tapi yeah, it's okay. It's not that bad. Which part of biochemistry? Oh, I can teach you guys this probably. So ini adalah yang namanya proteasome. So this is what we call. I have my iPad and ada iPad pencil, tapi kenapa gue pakai pensil, kayak pakai pulpen? Kayak what the fuck? I'm sorry. Melihat pun tidak sudi. Satu lagi guys, satu lagi, oke? Okay? Jadi ini adalah yang namanya proteasome. Jadi proteosom itu adalah sebuah kayak protein structure yang bisa degradasi other protein. Jadi di proteosom, where is it? Jadi di proteosom ini ada yang namanya the 19S structure dan ada yang 20S structure. So proteins that are tagged for degradation, meaning that proteinnya itu biasanya untuk degradasi dia bakal di ubiquitinate. So ubiquitinated proteins, they will go to the 19S first, and then the protein will be unfolded. So the protein unfolding is very important for protein degradation. So after the protein is unfolded, it goes through the 20S structure, and then in the 20S structure there are the proteases. So this is where the proteolysis happens. Jadi ini adalah tempat yang dimana dia bakal degradasi or like chops up the protein for degradation, okay? And so after that, it goes through the 20S structure, 20S like strop structure, and then after that, the peptide fragments are released, and then the cycle continues. So in here, if you see here, this is protein, and then through the E1, E2, and E3 ligase system, it will be ubiquitinated. So yeah, so the E1, E2, E3 is a ligase. So ligase is basically they function to attach ubiquitin. So ubiquitin is also another protein, and the ubiquitin is the protein. If there's a protein, let's say protein A, ada protein A yang di-attach dengan ubiquitin, that protein A bakal the selnya itu bakal tahu bahwa dia bakal di-tag buat degradation. So caranya protein degradation itu adalah dia bakal di-attach sama ubiquitin, and then dibawa ke proteasome, and then di-degrade. So that's regulasi protein di sel kita. Jadi seberapa lama protein itu ada di sel kita bakal diregulasi. Kenapa ini important? Karena, so why is this important? Karena protein itu banyak sekali fungsinya di dalam sel, dan fungsinya itu kayak harus diregulasi. Jadi kayak nggak boleh kebanyakan fungsinya, juga nggak boleh jadi if there's too much protein, it will disrupt the homeostasis of the concentration of the protein. Jadi kayak harus ada yang di degradation, kayak harus ada yang dihancurkan, dan juga harus ada yang dibikin gitu loh. Jadi kayak it's for the balance, for the homeostasis gitu. Udah, please, udah. Maafkan. Maafkan saya, guys. Sejujurnya nggak ngerti. Nggak apa-apa, guys. It's okay. Seru dikit. Oh, ada yang bilang seru. Apakah gue lanjut? Seru ya, guys? Oke, seru. Ternyata seru, guys. Oke, lanjut apa ya? Oh, let me teach you about amino acids. Jadi ada we have 20 amino acids. Jadi do you guys know what amino acid is? Kayak kalian pasti pernah dengar kayak protein is made out of amino acids. But do you guys know what amino acids is? Pakai bahasa Indonesia. Jadi pasti kalian tahu bahwa protein itu dibuat dari asam amino. Tapi apa itu asam amino? Jadi asam amino itu adalah ini ya. Maybe I should draw it better. 잠시만요. 잠깐만요. So this is what we call amino acid. Asam amino. Tapi kayak kebalik ya. Is it like kebalik, guys? Asam amino. Kayaknya kebalik deh gambarnya. Ini R, ini R, ini N, ini H, ini 2, NH2. This is R, this is H, this is COOH. Jadi asam amino itu adalah carboxylic acid. So it's basically a type of carboxylic acid. Asam karboksilik. Asam nggak tahu bahasa Indonesia apa. But anyway, it's carboxylic acid. Jadi ini mana sih tadi ini? Jadi carboxylic acid itu is this like moiety right here. It's like this group structure right here yang ada carbon. This is carbon. OOH. Jadi COOH. Okay, and so the name itself is like acid, right? Jadi asam. Jadi mereka itu release proton. Do you guys know what proton is? Proton itu adalah helpless. Jadi kayak this proton right here, this hydrogen right here. Hydrogen we also call it proton. Anyway, this proton right here is quite acidic. Jadi it's quite acidic because of the electron withdrawing effect of the the carboxylic acid group, okay? Of this oxygen right here. So the electron withdrawing effect of this oxygen withdraws the electron from the proton, and it makes it have a lot of delta plus on the proton. Jadi this proton is very acidic, okay? And that's why kita namain ini acid, asam. Asam itu adalah senyawa yang increases the concentration of proton. That's one way of describing acid, okay? And so anyway, this is the carboxylic acid. But kenapa namanya asam amino? Karena it's not just a normal carboxylic acid, tapi juga ada yang namanya the amino group. Jadi this is why we call it the amino group. So amino group is basically just like amine. It has nitrogen. It's a NH group. That's the amino group. So there's the amino group, there's a carboxylic acid group, there's a hydrogen right here, and there's the R group. So the R group ini adalah kayak group, kayak it's just a side chain yang bisa yang banyak variety-nya, okay? Jadi based on the type of side chain, fungsi asam amino ini kayak bisa, they have like different effects, okay? So di tubuh kita ada 20 versi asam amino with different side chain. Jadi kayak kalian bisa lihat di sini, there's the carboxylic acid group, there's the amino group, there's the hydrogen, and this is the side chain. Okay, and then this is drawn differently from what I drew. Jadi kenapa ada negative charge di sini? Karena the physiological condition di tubuh kita at pH 7.4, our body pH is like 7.4. The carboxylic acid group is deprotonated. Karena carboxylic acid pH is around 5. pKa of carboxylic acid is around 5. Jadi kalau misalnya pH-nya itu di atas pKa of the group, it will be deprotonated, okay? So it's deprotonated, ada negative charge-nya. Tapi because the amino group primary amine, the pKa is like around 9 to 10. Karena the pKa is higher than the pH, which is 7.4, the amino group is protonated, okay? What? Oh no. Complete the verification to... How do I complete the verification? Oh. Why do I need to do this verification? Anyway, so this is protonated, and this is deprotonated, and there's the carbon center, and then the hydrogen, and this is the side chain. And also, what you guys need to know adalah bahwa ini itu adalah all amino acids, almost all except for one, is chiral. Do you guys know what chiral means? So this is why it's very important to understand organic chemistry before you understand biochemistry. Karena topik-topik biochemistry itu banyak sekali related to organic chemistry. Ya, gitu. Jadi chiral carbon, like chiral, like a compound that is chiral, that means that it has a chirality center. The carbon has 4 different substituents. Jadi kayak di carbonnya itu punya punya kayak attached to that carbon ada 4 different substituents, okay? Dan karena itu dia bisa rotate the plane of plane polarized light. Okay, so you can induce a rotation of the plane polarized light. And so that's what we call a chiral compound. Or a chiral center is basically a carbon center that has 4 different substituents and it can rotate the plane of plane polarized light. Okay, and also, yeah, so that's chiral. And chirality is important because our enzymes are chiral. Okay, so the way enzymes work is that enzymes again are protein, right? Jadi enzyme itu bisa membuat specific chemical reaction. So that means that the specificity is dictated by the chiral, by these chiralities. So that's like another topic, like another big topic on its own. Like I can talk about this like for days because karena kayak topiknya itu kayak banyak banget biokimia dan kayak it's so fun. This is so fun. Like I want to explain everything. So let's talk about the types of amino acids that we have. So ada like there are 20 amino acids and we can categorize them or we can group them to specific types. Okay, so in here, what does it say? Aliphatic. So aliphatic means that they are relatively nonpolar. The side group or the side chain, the R group has relatively nonpolar side chain. Jadi ada if you look at here, the most simple one is what we call glycine. Jadi ini adalah namanya glycine. Dan glycine itu the R group itu adalah hydrogen. So it has 2 hydrogen, and because there are 2 hydrogen, this is not chiral because the center itu nggak ada 4 different substituents karena dia ini 2 ini sama kan. Jadi ini the only amino acid yang nggak chiral, okay? And then the next one is aniline. So aniline itu yang R groupnya itu adalah just methyl group. And then valine the R groupnya itu adalah kayak isopropyl group. And then this is the this is leucine. Leucine, the R group is like isobutyl group. And then methionine is quite interesting because there's a sulfide in here. As you can see, there's a sulfur here, right? And then isoleucine is like here, right? And yeah, so those are the aliphatic group yang dimana R groupnya itu enggak is relatively non-polar. Okay, gitu guys. Capek gua. Stop please. Maafkan saya. Tapi this is so fun. Yeah, it's so fun. Bima, kalau penerapan OChem di life contohnya apa? Penerapan OChem di life, so many things guys. Do you guys know that the medicine, where is the medicine? Like here, I have Panadol right here. Panadol, do you see Panadol like here? Ini obat Panadol ini. Tahu nggak cara buatnya gimana? Pakai organik kimia guys. Kayak the synthesis of Panadol itu kayak it's all chemistry. Like the drugs that you're taking, kayak obat-obatan, medicine, everything from kayak misalnya food, like in food, like you have like preservatives, ada kayak food coloring, apalagi kayak bahan-bahan kayak bahan kimia buat makanan, bahan kimia buat tekstil, bahan kimia buat a lot of things. A lot of them adalah bahan kimia yang dibuat dengan teknik-teknik organik kimia. Jadi kayak organic chemistry is everywhere. And even like if you look at your body, kayak di body gua, kayak in your body, kayak di tubuh lu, kayak it's all about organic chemistry. Karena every single day you have organic reactions inside your body. Kayak you makan sesuatu, like for example, I ate this noodle. Like the moment it enters my body, like it's doing chemical reaction. Like from your mouth, like there's the saliva, right? The saliva has amylase, and it breaks down amylase itu kayak breaking down the carbohydrate. Itu adalah reaksi kimia, like reaksi organic chemistry. So like organic chemistry is like everywhere, guys. Okay, you have to know, this is why it's so fun. Like organic chemistry is like, it's everywhere, and I love organic chemistry. And understanding organic reaction, and it makes understanding life science so much easier, because it's really important. It's like everywhere. Begitu deh. So from obat-obatan, from makanan, from your own body, from everything, from your clothes to your laundry detergent, from to kayak what was something that, like dish soap, sabun cuci piring. There you go, sabun cuci piring. Everything is made out of like from like organic reaction or some sort. Begitu. Even skincare, guys, like skincare they're also like, most of them are, you know, using like synthetic chemistry. Begitu deh. So organic kimia itu sangat important, and sangat banyak sekali aplikasinya, and I love organic chemistry. I'm sorry, kayak gue terlalu bersemangat tentang organic kimia, dan sekarang HP gue mau low bat, so I have to charge my phone. But this is so fun. Ini adalah reason kenapa gue suka sekali organic kimia. Buka lesan. Iya, sebenarnya gue pengen jadi profesor, guys. That's why. Badan gue sakit sekali. Ganti matematika, yo. Saya benci matematika, guys. Oh, laundry gue udah selesai belum ya? Laundry gue gimana ya? Wait, should I take you guys to my laundry room? This life is so chaotic, guys. Lebih capek sekali. Ganti matematika, guys. Jangan, guys. Jangan matematika, nanti saya nangis, guys. Sejujurnya kalian amazing sekali tadi. Sejujurnya sampai 30.000. Wow. Ini filternya kayak filter banget gitu ya. Kenapa filternya gini banget ya? Saya nggak suka filter. Bima pose buat JJ. Oke, jedak jeduk. Kenapa namanya jedak jeduk sih, guys? Like kenapa jedak jeduk gitu? Kayak tidak jelas sekali ya menurut saya. I don't know. Velocity. Bima suka woods. Kok tahu? Kok tahu sih suka woods? Yeah, I like woods. I like apa namanya, woods. I'm drowning. Wait, is the name I'm drowning? Lupa tadi name-nya apa ya? What was the name of that song? You're just a game boy. Dancing man. Woods. Drowning. Yeah, gue suka banget, guys. Lagu Drowning by Woods. I went to Norebang with my friend and I sang this, and I was screaming at the top of my lung. It was so fun. Kayak I would love to sing this right now, tapi gue nggak bisa teriak-teriak di sini, guys, karena ini adalah kos-kosan. Nanti dimarahin sama ibu kos. Jadi jangan ya, guys. Kak Bima, Kak Sandi di mana? Nggak tahu. Mana gue tahu. Gitu deh guys. Ya, Bim sejujurnya lebih sayang Okem atau kita? Emang nggak boleh dua-duanya ya guys? Kenapa harus milih satu? Kenapa nggak boleh pilih dua-duanya guys? Undang Sandy. Cara undang Sandy gimana guys? Nggak tahu caranya. Tahu Carmen Hearts to Hearts nggak? Iyalah, siapa yang nggak tahu Carmen Hearts to Hearts? It's famous. Even my Korean friends know. Tissue culture suka nggak Bim? Sebenarnya waktu itu gua pernah culture kayak cells like cancer cells. Jadi let me tell you about my story undergraduate lab. Jadi kayak di kalau misalnya you jurusan life science atau jurusan science, biasanya kayak you bisa internship atau magang di laboratori profesornya kan. Gue major biotechnology. Jadi kayak at first my interest aku itu kayak lebih ke bio gitu. Jadi aku intern di lab tumor immunology. Jadi kayak studying immunology but also studying cancer biology. Dan aku pernah belajar kayak cara culture tissue. Namanya apa arti culture tissue? Jadi culture tissue itu adalah kayak you basically you maintain the tissue. How do I say this in Indonesia? Jadi ada cells kayak sel-sel cancer yang jadi tissue gitu, yang make up a certain tissue structure, and then you just kayak bikin tissue-nya itu kayak proliferate, kayak the cells-nya itu proliferate, and you just like maintain the cells to make sure they're alive, kayak biar mereka nggak mati gitu. That's namanya like tissue culture or cell culture. Dan sel-sel aku mati karena harusnya itu sel-selnya itu kayak dirawatin kayak hampir setiap hari, nggak setiap hari juga tapi hampir setiap hari. Dan waktu itu during the weekend gue nggak masuk labnya, terus waktu hari Senin masuk lab lagi, sel-selnya udah mati. Jadi gitu deh. Jadi ya gitu. Kasihan sel-selnya mati. Tapi that's why I lebih suka organik kimia, karena organik kimia kayak you nggak usah kayak make sure something is alive. Kayak organik kimia nggak ada yang alive. jadi is ya gitu deh. Oke, mah ada hitung. Ada lah guys, banyak sekali kalau misalnya di organik kimia, sebenarnya kalau you jago math it's more advantageous. Sebenarnya di semua hal itu kalau misalnya you jago math itu lebih bagus, karena math is important. Tapi aku nggak bisa math. Gitu deh. Ya. Bima ada game apa? Aku nggak main game guys. Sejujurnya aku pernah main Mobile Legends. Aku suka Mobile Legends, tapi udah nggak main karena sibuk. Di Korea jam berapa? Jam 9.55. Hampir jam 10 guys. Gitu deh. Tips menghilangkan sejujurnya nggak bisa. There's no way. Unless I speak cara menghilangkan sejujurnya itu kalau aku speak full bahasa Inggris. Tapi kalian minta aku speak bahasa Indonesia. Jadi sejujurnya harus ada. Oke, sejujurnya itu important. Kayak sejujurnya itu penting untuk aku bisa bahasa Indonesia guys. Jadi sejujurnya. Okay. I can't breathe. Interact. Ini apaan ya? Lightning Q&A. Treasure draw and guess. Pull? What is this? Gitu deh guys. Bima lahir bulan apa? November. 11 November 2003. Saya merasa tua sekali guys dibandingkan anak-anak cewek-cewek karena mereka semua 2006 atau 2005 gitu atau 2004. I feel so old and my back hurts. Punggung aku sakit, otot aku sakit, kepala aku juga sakit, semuanya sakit. Aku merasa tua sekali guys. Gitu deh. Suka rice nggak? Suka aja rice. Bima kita beda 11 tahun. Jadi you umur 10. Oh my god, kamu umur 10? Wow. Makanan Indonesia yang aku kangenin. Aku kangen makan itu guys, makan iga bakar, sop iga bakar. Oh my god, I want sop iga bakar, martabak, apalagi ya, ayam goreng yang ada kremes-kremesnya. Terus apa lagi ya, I don't know, nasi padang. I like warteg, you guys. Do you guys know warteg? Warung Tegal. Warung Tegal bener gak sih? Yeah, I think so. I like that. Warung Tegal is nice. I think warteg is nice. Gitu deh. Makanan favorit di Korea. K-barbecue is so good karena itu banyak banget dagingnya. Aku suka sekali daging guys. Bima suka lagu Twas yang mana? Aku suka lagu Twas yang apa tuh namanya? Lucky to be Loved by You sama Last Festival. Gitu deh. Belajar Korea berapa lama? Sejujurnya aku juga belum fasih bahasa Korea guys, sejujurnya. Gitu deh. Pernah nonton konser K-pop? Nggak pernah. I pernah nonton konser Twice waktu 2023. I love Twice so much. Dan aku pingin nonton konser Twice lagi. Mereka bakal ada konser lagi loh guys. Kayak semoga aku bisa dapat tiket konser Twice lagi. Bima 애교 주세요. 어떻게? What should I do with the 애교? Like this? I don't know. That's kind of cringe, but nggak tahu. I don't know, man. Bima sering masak nggak di Korea? Sejujurnya suka masak sih. Kalian mau lihat nggak kulkas aku? Kayak I should show you guys my kulkas. Kayak kulkas aku penuh dengan frozen chicken. Tapi kayak aku beli 50 kilo guys frozen chicken karena lebih murah. Tapi Tapi gue terlalu sibuk dan terlalu mager buat masak. Jadi kayak frozen chickennya di kulkas terus belum gue masak. Itu 50 kilo kalau nggak salah ya, atau 50 kilo atau 5 kilo ya. Wait, was it 50 kilo atau 20 kilo? I lupa. Anyway, it was a lot. Maybe it was 20 kilogram. 50 kilo atau 20 kilo ya, atau 5 kilo, I don't know. Anyway, lupa. Tapi harusnya gue lebih sering masak, karena kalau masak bisa save money. Tapi saya capek guys, capek masak guys, sejujurnya gitu. Rambutnya belah di tengah, nggak suka. I don't like that. Nggak suka belah tengah. Tingginya berapa? Tingginya 173 kalau nggak salah. Bima buat mini vlog. Pingin guys, I also want to make mini vlog, but tapi saya apa namanya? Aku nggak tahu cara ngedit gimana. Bima nggak tidur. Sejujurnya saya harus ambil laundry sebelum tidur. Tapi nantilah, bisa diambil nanti lagi laundrynya. Minta ajarin Sandy edit. Saya kasihan sama Sandy. Dia udah ngajarin saya cara velocity. Is this lagging? Tadi lagging ya guys? Tadi lagging gak sih? Mungkin lagging ya tadi. Kurang tahu saya. Pakai CapCut buat edit. Maybe I should use that probably. I heard so many people use CapCut. Bias Tuose. I like Kyungmin. Is it right? Kyungmin. 맞아. Kyungmin. I like him. He's cute. Happy 100k followers. Thank you guys. It's all thanks to you guys. 100k followers. Thank you so much. Wait, ini apakah ini? Is this like? Guys, lagging ya guys? Am I lagging? Bima pernah dapat nilai jelek nggak? Sejujurnya di kuliah nilai terjelek aku selama ini itu adalah nilai B, kayak B ya. Itu nilai terjelek aku B. Jadi gitu deh. Jadi nggak jelek-jelek amat sejujurnya mungkin. Bima pose gimana guys? Pose. How should I pose? Buku keramat di mana? Tadi udah diliatin. Nanti kalau diliatin buku keramat, nanti pada komplain. Tapi kalau nggak diliatin juga pada nanyain. Kalian maunya gimana? Diginiin aja kali ya buku keramatnya. Jadi setiap gue live harus tunjukin buku keramat gitu ya. Maybe I should do that. Me and my buku keramat. No. I wanna eat this. Bajunya lucu, thank you. I really like this baju. It's so cute. It's like a thinking puppy thinking. So cute. Susah nggak belajar buku keramat? Nggak susah-susah amat sih sejujurnya, karena saya suka. Jangan lupa mandi sebelum tidur. You are so right. Tapi sejujurnya, gue kehabisan sabun mandi guys. Oh my god, gue lupa beli sabun mandi. Oh my god, lupa beli sabun mandi guys. Harus beli sabun mandi. Harus order online. Bergaul sama Maxwell. Maybe I should. Velocity lagi. Oke, gue turutin deh. Gimana sih tadi? It's like here, and then here, here. Like this and this. Like this and this. And then gimana? Gini ya? Gini. Is that right? Udah kan gak ya? Itu velocity. Sambil melet. No guys, saya ditipu. Harusnya gak usah melet juga gak apa-apa guys. Jangan tipu-tipu saya lagi guys. Warna favorit aku apa? My favorite color is probably blue. I like blue. Tapi sejujurnya, most of my clothes are kind of like dark colors. So like black. Jadi maybe blue and black. Or white. Maybe blue. I think it's blue. Maybe, I don't know. Sejujurnya gak tahu guys. Pop di saluran. Apa itu pop? Apa artinya pop di saluran? Nggak ngerti guys. I don't understand. Oh, post a picture. So pop is post a picture. Oh, pop. P-A-P, post a picture. I see. So I should post a picture in my saluran. Is that what you guys want? Okay, I will post. But what should I post? Post foto aku. Okay, I will try to post my photo. I wanna go live with Kendrick. Kak, aku belajar bahasa Inggris tapi aku nggak apa ini? Aku nggak apa? Nggak bisa speaknya. Help please. I see. Just apa namanya, ngomong ke diri sendiri guys. Just talk to yourself. Kayak belajar dengan ngomong dengan diri sendiri. Tiba-tiba ngomong dengan diri sendiri aja. Like me all the time. Kayak aku suka banget ngomong dengan diri sendiri. Kayak sekarang ini saya lagi ngomong di depan kamera. So just like practice di depan kaca. Practice latihan bahasa Inggris, kayak talk to yourself di depan kaca. Just do that. That's how I learned bahasa Inggris anyway. Yes. Gitu deh guys. Bima ambil laundrynya dulu deh. Nanti mager. Bima semester berapa? Saya semester 7 naik semester 8 guys. Udah mau lulus, oh my god. Dan saya capek. Ya. I can't breathe. I should wash this. Yeah, I should wash that. And I should organize my bag. Do you guys want to see what's in my bag? Ini adalah parasol. Kayak buat blocking UV rays. Pencil case. What is this? This is... And chopsticks. Why do I have chopsticks in my bag? Trash. Ada trash lagi. Ada trash lagi. Ternyata di bag saya sangat banyak sekali trashnya. Why do I have so many trash in my bag? Ya, sejujurnya spill lagu kesukaan aku. Sejujurnya sekarang aku lagi suka sama Cat's Eye. Kayak the album baru Cat's Eye. And also, oh yeah, it's okay. It's okay, Neria. Wait, who am I talking to? 잠깐만, I need to